Brian Battle is set to go down against Angelos, and Brian Battle recently scored back-to-back wins over Gabe Green and AJ Fletcher, and he's on a really good streak. After that loss to Renat Fakredinov, people were criticizing him, but Battle is extremely good fighter. People underestimate his abilities, and Angelos, the last ninja, fighting out of Switzerland, 5'10", 74 inches of reach, decision specialist. He defeated Rhys McKee and AJ Fletcher. But in this fight, I just think Brian Battle is too more well-rounded, and Angel also is not as good wrestler as Renat Fakredinov. So I believe Brian Battle could actually score a win here. I am very confident in Brian Battle's performance in this upcoming fight, and I have a very good faith to believe that Brian Battle is going to win in this battle. So yeah, unlike Brian Battle via stoppage or decision, he is very good in striking, and on the ground, I believe he is good enough to defend Angelos's transition attempts and punches. So yeah, let's go Brian. Let's go Brian Battle.